The Ronin jacket from Roland Design is available in men's sizes small 3 extra large, in black or Ranger 11.5 ounce waxed cotton. The jacket has an aggressive riding fit with rotated pre-curved sleeves and a dropped back. The Ronin features CE1 Nox armor in the elbows and shoulders with an armor-ready back protector pocket. There are zippered sleeve vents on either arm, and the right arm features a zip-closed small device pocket. To add to the cafe styling of this jacket, you'll see it has a snap collar with a zipper that runs down the entire length of the jacket. Inside the jacket, you have a black mesh lining with a small device pocket on the right side. On the left side of the jacket, you have another small zipper enclosed pocket. And then on the bottom of the jacket, you have 2 stretch mesh cargo stuff pockets. This jacket is available at deadbeatcustoms.com for $350. As always, at deadbeatcustoms.com, we ship for free in the United States over $100. Thanks for checking out this brief overview of the Roland Design Ronin perforated wax cotton jacket.